one, x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. The second one, x squared plus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. Pause the video and try this first. I would like to do this one for you guys first because it's easier. Because this is actually factorable, isn't it? So let me put down the parentheses, and we know we must have the x and x. And now let's think about what times what will give us positive 10. Together, they add up to be positive 7. The correct choice is positive 2, positive 5, right? So it's factorable. And this is pretty easy now because I can just put down x plus 2 to be 0, and then the second one, x plus 5 to be 0. For this, we can minus 2 on both sides, and then we can get x by itself, and that's equal to negative 2. That's it for that. And for this, minus 5, cancel this out, and then we end up x is equal to negative 5. And these are our two answers, negative 2 and negative 5, and we are done. How about for this? X squared plus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. Unfortunately, no matter what we do, this is just not factorable, right? So now we have two choices. Either to use the completing the square or use the quadratic formula. Which one did you use? I will go for the quadratic formula because the b value here is an odd number. This is a 7, right? So with that being said, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, right? And then c is equal to 9. And we have to remember the formula, which says x is equal to negative b, which is the 7 right here. So let's put that down. And then we have to have the plus minus. And we open the square root. And inside here, let's open the parentheses. And let's put the 7 inside because that's a b squared, right? So 7 squared, and then minus 4 times a, which is 1. And times c, which is the 9, like that. And we close this, and this is all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, like that. This is the setup, and now we have to just do the work and figure this out, right? Okay, negative 7, just how it is. Let's put that down, and then plus minus. Let's open the square root right here, and let's get our blue marker, and let's do the inside right here, right? So let me put down 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. 7 squared, 7 times 7, right? That's 49. And then 4 times 1 is 4. And then 4 times 9 is 36. And then this is a minus. Therefore, 49 minus 36 is just 13. This is the number that goes inside of the square root. And this is what we have, right? And then this is all over 2 times 1, which is just a 2. Can we simplify square root of 13? No, and that's good, because if we cannot simplify this, that means we don't need to do anything else. This is it. X is equal to negative 7 plus minus square root of 13 all over 2. This right here is the answer. That's it.